Hey, I wanted to take a quick look today at Marshall's to see what they have for spring, summer home decor. All right, so these little gnomes I think are so cute. $25. And they're just like a pretty like kind of like pastelish like color. This little guy I thought was cute too, with his long legs, like the little elephant decor piece and was bright, $8. These little shell decor pieces, so it's like little shells all over there, and they have them in different colors. $13 for that, not bad at all. They have bowl filler. This one has like a little bright color to it. $13 for that one. So yeah, they have a ton of things. This is not spring or summer, but it's just cute with a little thumbs up. $8. These have like kind of like a nautical look to it. So I thought these were cute for Marshalls, and you can grab those for $17. And it has like your traditional nautical type colors. This I thought was pretty for a little plant holder. $15 for that, and it was a decent size. You can get like a medium sized plant or a little faux plant if you're like me. This one, the green was pretty in it, and that one was only $10 for that one right there. So if you listen to plant holders, Marshalls does have those. I've been seeing a lot of solar powered lights, like lanterns and different things. So $15 for that one right there. These little turtle decor pieces, and you can see they have solar eyes. So Dollar Tree has like a little small version of something like this. So this is like a bigger version. I thought that was cute. Bird feeders. I've been seeing a ton of those different type styles and stuff. These are just a bright, pretty orange. $13 for that one. And then these like daisies. So $25. And you can see it kind of like a metallic look to it. And then you see this one right here is different. It's a little bigger. But there's a bulb inside there. So it'll light up. So for $25, and it's solar powered too. These I'm always loving picture frames, and that's not a bad price at all for that. And then this one right here kind of has like a unique look for the picture frame. $10 for that one right there. So yeah, if you're looking for some cute picture frames, this one I thought was cute too. $6. So I like picture frames that have just something a little different to it and kind of have that high end look. This only $40 for the footstool, and it was like a velvet look. We saw lamps like this at Home Goods, but this one comes in a set, so 150 for the set, and it's a nice neutral color that I think will fit in with a lot of different spaces. You might want to grab those. This little table right here, only $20. Not bad at all. Nice neutral colors. So these right here, so you can get these little different shaped planters, something different, $60. It's kind of like a little cone. It's a little faux plant, so you don't have to worry about keeping it alive. They have a lot of outdoor pieces, so $80 for these chairs, and they kind of have like a wide, big back, so you can get comfy with those. You can put down a little cushion. These chairs right here are just something nice and neutral. I love a good, nice little piece and little arms on it, really pretty. So 150 for that one right there. These little lanterns. I'm not sure if you can hang them up. They do have a handle, so you make them hang them up. But you can see this little piece in there, so you would put that piece. That's where it would go. It was on sale, so that one was on clearance for $29. These little portable chairs right here, so they had them in different colors, like kind of towards the kids area. They didn't have a price on them though. If you're going to change up for the season with bath towels to get your bathroom ready, they have some really pretty colors. So $8 for the bath towel there. Then they have like the hand towel set for $10. They have pretty whites. This green, just another pretty one that's like in the Kate Spade. They have the hand towel set there for $13. This pillow I thought was real pretty. Just something pretty to put on your bed. You could put it on a side chair. You could put it on your couch. $17 for that. Just something real pretty. This another pretty one. You can see like the little details in the front there. $25 for that one right there. I thought that was super pretty. Just a pretty accent pillow goes a long way. Here's like another one, and you can kind of see it kind of has like a little shimmer to it. $20 for that one right there. They had some cute bed sets. So they have this little Kate Spade one. It looks more vivid on the picture. I'm not sure how it looks outside the plastic, but it looked really pretty on the picture. $70 for that set right there. And then this one right here, 10 pieces. So you get the sheets, the pillowcases, the cover, what have you, and stuff for $100. Not bad at all. And it's like a nice little mint color. That's good. And it did feel kind of soft when I did feel it. So the little bit I did feel, it felt soft. These chairs right here, $50. They don't come in a set like you see a lot of sets now, but those are just separate right there. These little lake life pillows. They are so cute. They're so cute and just something neutral but like cute, and only $20. So if you know somebody with a lake home, or you have a lake home, I think those would be pretty. And they go nice with these chairs too. So this is a whole set. So you get a three-piece set. So you get the chairs and a little table that comes with this. And like I said, it does go pretty with those pillows too. So this is how the table looks, and you get all three pieces, like I said, and it is $250 for that. So generally, I'm thinking like most of the sets, the prices were around that range. A lot of little faux greenery. So if you're like me and you can't keep a plant alive, they have a lot of great faux greenery options. These I thought were pretty, and you can grab both the white and the black one, $30. Just something real pretty to have out. They have other little faux greenery. They have like faux moss. They had this little lemon tree right here that I thought was cute, and this one was on sale too, so you can grab that one on clearance for $40, and it was a decent size. This little snail, I thought it was cute. I don't know, $10 for that. And it's like a neutral colors, so I think that'll fit in with a lot of spaces. They have the little red, white, and blue, the little patriotic items. This little dog here, $13. This little cat here, $13. You can see a little switch, so I'm assuming it lights up. So if you're looking for some cute 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day type decor, they have Snoopy, they have Hello Kitty, $17 for those. These kind of have like that old school look to them, but like traditional. $13 for that, $13 for that. So yeah, you might want to check a look and see what Marshalls has for patriotic decor right now. They have a few different wreath options, so you can grab them shaped like hearts, shaped like circles. Not bad prices at all. They have little muted kind of colored ones. They have that little anchor there, $25. This little star one, that was my favorite one from them. $17 for that one right there. This one is pretty because it has the mix of the flowers and then the ribbon. And then this one is just pretty for spring, $25. It has the big faux leaves and the flowers. Thought that was pretty. They have been coming out with a lot. I've been seeing a lot at Marshalls. This pretty blue colored the like decor and furniture. So this chair right here, this individual, we got them each individual, $150 for that. These velvet dining chairs right here, these are in that same pretty blue. These will go in a lot of spaces. $50 for those. And again, you buy those individually. Some more nice little outdoor patio sets. So this one right here, you get the two chairs, and you can see there's like an ottoman piece that comes out of the bottom, but it tucks in, and then the table for $400. You can get that whole set. And then this right here is a set too. So you get the two chairs and the table, and they all kind of have like that wicker look to it, but a nice neutral black, and it comes with the cushions, so you'll get all of those pieces. And like I said, it's a three-piece set, and the extra little pillows are in there. So you can probably store them too, like turn the table upside down and store the stuff in there when you're not using it, to keep it, all compact. And that one is $300 for that. These I thought were pretty. So they're the little flower wall decor, and you can arrange them however you want to arrange them. And only $20 for those. I thought those were pretty. These butterflies I thought were cute. I don't like the color so much. It's just like a weird color to me. But $20, you could spray paint those whatever color you want those. And you can arrange those to around your wall however you want. Of course, the outdoor dining drink cups. So they have the little flamingos here for $4. These pretty color ones for $4. These just a nice simple color, and it's like that plastic, $8 for those. They have other like style drink cups, because different sizes and shapes for different type drinks. These are pretty with the iridescent type look for $15. These are pretty with the different colors in those, $13 for those right there. So yeah, you can get a ton of outdoor dining drink cups and stuff like that. These I thought were so nice. They didn't have a sticker on it though, so I don't know if there was supposed to be a box, because the other ones were all boxed up. But it's like that mason jar, but it's like a cup. I just thought those were so cute. So, but I didn't see a price or a box for them. These right here, they make little popsicles and different things. $5, not bad. They come in different fruit shapes. So yeah, if you like to make ice pops and stuff for the season, I think these are cute. They have other shapes too. This little, so it's a juicer, and then it's a handle. So the juice falls into the thing, and then you can pour it. So you'll put the the fruit or whatever on top. It's only $4. It comes in different colors. Put the fruit on top, it goes in there, and then you can pour it from there. These are always just cute to have out. I've never used one in my cooking, but if I do, I would grab one from in Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, one of those places. Peanuts, I love peanuts. So $8 for that little set right there. This little salt and pepper shaker right here, $4. These I think are pretty. So if you're looking in the store or something, I wouldn't put something that I would use all the time in there, but I just think they're pretty to have out on your counter when you're storing stuff. Like I said, I wouldn't put something that I use every day in those. I would put it in the other flat top ones. This little pitcher right here, so if you're doing like the drinks for outside or just, seasonal type drinks, $17, and it's real pretty. It's nice, tall, and slender. This little mason kind of goes with the cups. I just thought that was cute, and it'd be cute combo to get together. They had a ton of outdoor dish sets, so that was a pretty blue. I thought that was nice. $20 for the set, so you get the 4 plates and you get the 4 bowls for that. So basically like serving of 4. These little plates individual, $13. So you see, so $13 just for 4 plates, or you get 4 plates for 4 bowls for $20. I think that's a better deal to get the 4 plates and the 4 bowls. These I like plates with a little lip on it. So your food, doesn't fall off. Those are $13 too. So yeah, they had a ton of different plate options and stuff for outside right now. We saw these last year, but I think they are so cute. They brought them back out. They're the coolers. So they have the little bottle openers on the side. $160 for them. They have a good amount of storage in them, and they're like kind of like a retro kind of thing. So you see that one looks like a with all the stickers, like faux stickers on it and stuff like that. They have the Coca-Cola one. That one had a flag on it. This one has like a little flower on it, so you can get them in like different themes, different colors. These again, so we only saw the one type before, but I think these are good, like to give to people, like if they have to go food from your home. $8, or if you're doing like meal prep, because you get like a whole little set of them, and I wouldn't mind losing them. You get what I'm saying? Because they're like kind of like disposable. Like if you feel it, you'll know what I'm talking about. $6 for the circular ones. So these are just like cute to go containers to me. Always I love the clear dispensers and organizers and stuff that they have. These are great for like your vanity, for your bathroom, because you don't really have to worry about them going with anything because they're clear. So they'll go with a lot of different things. Some more little interesting outside decor pieces. This little one right here, $25, and she's doing like interesting pose. They have little birdies. These little boots I thought were so cute because they look like real boots. And usually you see like umbrella holders like that. So $25 for that right there. So yeah, you might want to head over to Marshall's and see what they have.